Have you ever wondered if quinoa is good for weight loss? Well, you're about to find out. Quinoa, pronounced quinoa, is a grain crop that's been around for thousands of years. Originally grown in the Andean region of South America, it's now become a staple superfood for health-conscious individuals around the globe. But what exactly makes quinoa so super? Well, for starters, it's packed with all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. It's also rich in fiber, magnesium, B vitamins, iron, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, and various beneficial antioxidants. Now, if you're trying to keep a check on those pesky pounds or are on a weight-watching journey, you've probably heard of quinoa. That's because it's not only nutritious but also low in calories and can be easily incorporated into your daily diet. So you see, quinoa isn't just another trendy health food, it's a nutrient powerhouse. Now let's dive into why quinoa has gained such a reputation. What makes quinoa stand out in the crowd of superfoods? Well, let's dive into its nutritional profile. Quinoa is a treasure trove of fiber and protein, 2 key nutrients that can aid in weight loss. Not only is quinoa high in fiber, but it's also packed with a kind of fiber that's insoluble. This type of fiber doesn't dissolve in water, helping you feel full for longer by slowing digestion and reducing hunger pangs. And when you're not constantly battling hunger, it's easier to stick to your healthy eating plans. Now let's talk about protein. Quinoa is one of the few plant foods that offer all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. Protein is essential for repairing and building muscles, especially after a workout. And guess what? More muscle means a faster metabolism, which can help your body burn more calories. On top of all these, quinoa is low on the glycemic index. This means it's slower to raise your blood sugar levels, helping to prevent those all too familiar sugar crashes and cravings. But the benefits of quinoa go beyond weight loss. It's also rich in iron, magnesium, and manganese, nutrients that are vital for energy production and bone health. Plus, it's gluten-free, making it a great option for those with gluten sensitivity or celiac disease. So it's clear that quinoa packs a nutritional punch. But how does this translate to weight loss? Well, stick around and we'll delve into that in the next scene. Here's how quinoa aids in weight loss. This tiny grain-like seed packs a 1-2 punch when it comes to weight management. Firstly, it's high in both fiber and protein, 2 nutrients known to increase feelings of fullness. When you feel satisfied after a meal, you're less likely to overeat, reducing your overall calorie intake. Quinoa is particularly rich in dietary fiber, more than most grains in fact. This type of fiber absorbs water and expands in your stomach, promoting a sense of fullness and helping you eat less. Moreover, the impressive protein content of quinoa can also aid in weight loss. Protein is known to reduce appetite and decrease calorie intake. Quinoa is one of the few plant foods that offers all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. Secondly, quinoa has a low glycemic index, which is a measure of how quickly foods increase your blood sugar levels. Foods with a low glycemic index are digested more slowly, preventing spikes in blood sugar and helping you to manage your weight more effectively. So, quinoa isn't just a trendy health food, it's a valuable tool in your weight loss arsenal, thanks to its high fiber and protein content and low glycemic index. Quinoa, therefore, is a great addition to any weight loss diet, but remember, consistency is key. Incorporate it into your meals regularly and you could see a real difference. Stay tuned for the next segment where we'll discuss how to easily make quinoa a part of your daily diet. Wondering how to make quinoa a part of your daily diet? Well, the beauty of this superfood lies in its versatility. Quinoa can be easily incorporated into a plethora of meals. For breakfast, how about a bowl of warm quinoa porridge? Sweeten it with a drizzle of honey and top it with your favorite fruits and nuts. It's a protein-packed start to your day. Lunch could be a vibrant quinoa salad. Mix cooked quinoa with a medley of fresh veggies, add a squeeze of lemon, a dash of olive oil, and voila! You've got yourself a nutrient-dense, filling meal. As for dinner, consider substituting your usual rice or pasta with quinoa. It pairs well with a variety of proteins and vegetables, making it a fantastic side dish. Or use it as a base for a hearty, veggie-loaded stir-fry. Quinoa, with its myriad benefits and easy incorporation into meals, is definitely a weight loss-friendly food. So, is quinoa good for weight loss? Absolutely. We've learned that quinoa is not only nutritious but also a great ally for weight loss. It's easy to incorporate into your diet, and the variety of meals you can create is limitless. Consistency, as we've mentioned, is the key. Eating right, including foods like quinoa, can lead to a healthier you. Remember, Your health is directly linked to what you eat and drink. Make sure to check out the full article on our website and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and tricks.